How AI can help you build wealth with SIP investing. Even if you're a beginner, imagine if you had a financial assistant available 24 hours a day. One that could explain investing in simple English. Compare mutual funds. Estimate how much wealth you could build. And even help you avoid emotional investing. That's exactly what artificial intelligence can do today. But here's the shocking part. Most people are using AI completely wrong when it comes to investing. They're asking, which SIP should I invest in? Instead of asking, how can AI help me become a smarter investor? That one difference could completely change your financial future. Today, I'll show you 7 powerful ways AI can help you invest smarter in SIPs. And one mistake that could cost you thousands of dollars if you're not careful. Let's get started. What is SIP? Before we talk about AI, let's quickly understand SIP. SIP stands for Systematic Investment Plan. Instead of investing one large amount, you invest a fixed amount regularly, weekly, monthly, or quarterly. This strategy helps reduce the impact of market ups and downs. When prices are low, your money buys more units. When prices are high, it buys fewer. Over many years, this disciplined approach can help build wealth. But choosing the right SIP isn't always easy. That's where AI becomes incredibly useful. AI helps you set better financial goals. The biggest investing mistake isn't choosing the wrong mutual fund. It's investing without a goal. Instead of asking AI, which SIP is the best? Ask questions like, I want to save for retirement in 25 years. I want a house in 10 years. I want financial freedom before age 50. I can help estimate how much money you may need. How much you may need to invest each month. How inflation could affect your goal. What happens if you increase your SIP every year? Within seconds, you have a personalized roadmap. That's far better than randomly picking a fund because someone recommended it. I can explain investing like a teacher. Many beginners avoid investing because the language sounds complicated. Large cap funds, small cap funds, index funds, expense ratio, NAV, asset allocation. I can explain every one of these terms using simple language. Even better, you can ask follow-up questions until you truly understand. Think of AI as your personal investing tutor. No embarrassment. No complicated financial jargon. Just clear explanations whenever you need them. Knowledge reduces fear. And informed investors usually make better long-term decisions. AI helps compare mutual funds. Suppose you're looking at 3 mutual funds. Instead of reading dozens of pages, ask AI to help compare them. You can ask about investment objective, risk level, historical performance, sector exposure, expense ratio, diversification, fund manager strategy. I can summarize this information into an easy-to-understand comparison. But here's something important. Past performance does not guarantee future returns. I should help you understand the differences. Not choose investments blindly. The final decision should always be yours. AI removes emotional investing. Markets go up, markets go down, and emotions often make investors panic. People buy when prices are high and sell when prices are low. That's the opposite of successful investing. AI can act like a calm coach. Instead of reacting emotionally, it can remind you about your long-term goals. It can explain why markets fluctuate. It can help you focus on your investment plan instead of daily headlines. Sometimes, the best investment decision is simply staying disciplined. AI helps review your portfolio as your investments grow. Your portfolio changes. Some funds become too large. Some sectors become overweight. AI can help review your portfolio by identifying concentration risk, lack of diversification, possible overlaps between funds, questions you may want to research further. Think of AI as your research assistant. It helps you organize information so you can make more informed decisions. The biggest mistake people make. Here's the mistake I see everywhere. People ask AI, "Tell me exactly where to invest." That's the wrong question. AI isn't a crystal ball. Nobody knows exactly what markets will do tomorrow. Instead, ask, what factors should I consider before choosing a mutual fund? What risks should I understand? What questions should I ask before investing? Those questions make AI far more useful. Remember, AI helps you become a better investor. It doesn't eliminate investment risk. Final thoughts: artificial intelligence is changing personal finance forever. Not because it predicts the future, but because it helps people learn faster, research better, plan smarter, and avoid costly mistakes. The investors who combine discipline, long-term thinking, and AI-powered research may have a real advantage over those who rely only on emotions or rumors. If you're just starting your investing journey, don't ask AI to make decisions for you. Ask it to help you understand your options. That small shift can make a huge difference over time. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Alex AI Profit Lab. Every week, we explore how artificial intelligence can help you build wealth, grow your career, increase productivity, and prepare for the future. Because the smartest investors of tomorrow will be the ones who learn how to work with AI today. Disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial or investment advice. Always do your own research and consider consulting a qualified financial professional before making investment decisions.